Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
वो डायरेक्टर बताएंगे हमारे
अरशद वारसी साहब पे.
My question is to hello. Here, my question is to Vishal. Just wanted to know. You just said that it was your call to take Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
I said it's our call.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. So I just wanted to understand, considering the theme that the film has and the kind of music that Yo-Yo creates, one does not see a blend of two. So it just, to us, to the eyes of the people also, it appears more of a monetary proposition than it could be creative.
No, I don't think that we need a monetary thing to have any singer for that. And more than that, I think the contrast of Yo-Yo Honey Singh and my music and Guldar Saab's lyrics, we thought it can be a very good cocktail.
I think it's still very early, without having heard the song, to come to any assumption about it. So let's just hang around and listen to the song.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
हेलो विशाल जी, मेरा आपसे ही सवाल है. अभी आप कश्मीर में शूटिंग करके आए थे, वहाँ पे हैदर फिल्म में कुछ अड़चनें आई थी, कुछ उस बारे में बताएंगे? हम जानना चाहते हैं. हम आपको अप्रोच किया लेकिन आपने कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं किया उस टाइम.
I think we are here for Ishqiya. I'll come for Heather, then we'll talk about Heather. No, we are still under production.
Hello Madhuri ji. Your reason for choosing the date Ishqiya role?
A lot of reasons. Obviously, one of them is that I like the script and I like my role in the movie. मैंने इश्किया देखी थी पहले और I was very impressed with that movie. I was impressed with Abhishek.
एक मिनट आप ये ले लीजिए इसका वॉल्यूम.
Okay. So, oh, this is quite loud. As I said, मैंने इश्किया देखी हुई थी first और I was very impressed with that movie. सभी के characters were very well written, a very tight script. And when I saw Abhishek's work in the movie, I was very, very impressed. I thought he had done a marvelous job with the woman's character as well, which was played by Vidya. When they came to me, like Vishalji and Abhishek, with this script, I fell in love with Begum Para, and I thought it was a wonderful character to play. Not only because she's a Begum, but also because she's multi-layered. Like, there's so many layers which come off as the movie goes on. And I thought it was a very well-written script, as well as the characters were fabulous in the movie.
Yeah, a question for Huma. This is Anand from India Times. In the 90s, it's famously a lot of parallel heroines used to walk out films if Madhuri Dixit was the lead actress. So weren't you nervous or apprehensive?
You've answered your question yourself. A, this is not the 90s, and B, none of us look like parallel heroines.
What would you like to say to that, Madhuri? She's not nervous facing the camera with you. I think would you do you appreciate that quality in the youngsters?
I love that quality in the youngsters. They're so confident and they're so just there, and they're doing such a good job. And it's wonderful.
Uma, hi. My question is for you. How was your experience working with Madhuri Dixit? She's being such a renowned actor.
Well, it was wonderful, and she is wonderful, and she made it very easy to act with her. I know you people think that big actresses are difficult people, but that's actually not true. She was very warm, and I think she just made every scene very easy to do. Yeah, so we were just honestly just playing off each other.
Question for Huma. What's that quality in Arshad which made you attracted towards him?
In the movie, Munia likes the fact that he's uncouth. So I think, yeah, that's what set off, the romance between Munia and Babban in the film.
Uma, we have talked about you acting with Madhuri, but dancing with Madhuri is something people have to think twice while dancing.
I'm still thinking about it.
So how was it? How was it to dance with her?
Well, I danced very little, but it was great fun because, like I said, she made it very easy, and everybody else, Abhishek, made it very easy. The only thing I remember very vaguely from that day shoot was Abhishek looked at me and smiled and said, "Not bad," and she hugged me and said, "I don't bite." So the rest of it is just a blur.
Question for Rekha ji. Hi. You sang Ghagra for her in Jawani Diwani and now this other song which we are singing. So as a singer, what qualities are needed to give playback to India's biggest female superstar?
आई थिंक एज अ प्लेबैक सिंगर आपकी तैयारी तो रियाज और वही सब है, आप कितनी तैयारी करते हैं, लेकिन टू प्ले बैक फॉर माधुरी दीक्षित और फॉर यू नो ग्रेट स्टार्स इज इट्स समथिंग आई थिंक कम्स विद सक्सेस. Basically, if I were not successful, I don't think I would have got to sing this song for her, and it depends on the music director. So Preetham called me because he felt my voice would suit. He wanted dignity in the song, so he said, I want you to sing. He wanted classical based singers, so he called me, and that's how it all began.
Any more songs in the pipeline?
Yes, एक कैलाश खेर के लिए गाया है और हिमेश रेशमिया के लिए रिसेंटली एक रोमांटिक सॉन्ग रिकॉर्ड किया है.
Rekha ji, can you sing 2 lines for us?
हमारी अटारिया पे आजा रे सवरिया, देखा देखी तनिक हो जाए. हमारी अटारिया पे आजा रे सवरिया, देखा देखी तनिक हो जाए. हमारी अटारिया पे. Thank you.
Question to Madhuri. You've spoken about the 7 stages of love in Ishqiya. So, do you think that maut is necessary?
Maut is a reality, not a necessity. It is a reality of life, and you know, different people have different loves. There are people who die for the country because they love the country so much. There are people who die for others. There are people who protect others. So there are different kinds of love everywhere in the world. And like I said, death is a reality. So
Some kind of lovers should just die anyway.
oh yeah, we are exhausted.
Any more questions?
We're done. Done.
Okay. Could I please request the team for the photo opportunity? Could I please request Madhuri ma'am and Huma to please come forward?
ये माइक कोई ले लो.
Thank you, Vishal sir. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhuri.
Role has to meet it. What's your name? It's Anya. Anya.
Okay, Madhuri ma'am, I'm so sorry. Okay, sure.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.